Whoop, you dropped it. Get another french fry for Bandit. Here, give him this big one.
Go. Go.
Can you give Bandit the big one?
This one.
Yeah. Good job. Oh, did he get you? Look at that face.
Nope.
You want Mama feed it to him? Look, Mama do it. Do you want another bite of macaroni?
Nope.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
Hey. Up.
Are you all done?
I done.
You don't eat macaronis?